What up, what up? Yeah, man. Morning to my viewers, them as it. The year I going easy back, as usual, smoking a spliff. Seeing the rising sun, as it. Yeah. That's where the sunrise every morning. So I see the sunrise every morning, you know what I mean? That's how we do it. Yeah. And me I say you don't know, you know, the last of February and you don't know coming 1st of March. That's the thing that you see. Whole heap of visitor coming in for March, you see. So the thing I go up for March. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.